Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify energy monitoring on Emporia Vue and Home Assistant. Full guide step by step. Begin by ensuring that your Emporia Vue device is correctly installed and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Home Assistant interface on your preferred device. Log in to your Home Assistant account. Navigate to the Integrations section from the sidebar menu. In the search bar, type Emporia. Click on the Emporia integration option. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Emporia Vue account to Home Assistant. Enter your Emporia account credentials when prompted. Once authenticated, Home Assistant will start to fetch your energy monitoring data from Emporia. After the integration process is complete, navigate to the Overview dashboard. Add a new card to the dashboard by clicking on the plus icon. Select the Entities Card option. In the card config, choose the energy monitoring entities linked to your Emporia Vue. Customize the card title to something like Energy Monitoring. Adjust the card settings to display relevant metrics. Save the card configuration to add it to your dashboard. Check the dashboard for the new energy monitoring card. Monitor your energy data and make necessary adjustments within the Home Assistant platform. If you need further customization, explore other card types such as history graph or gauge. For advanced features, consider using automation scripts based on your energy usage data. Refer to the Home Assistant documentation for additional integration tips and tricks. Regularly update both Emporia and Home Assistant for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.